Yes, students, we discuss about the flush function and what is the use of flush function also we have seen. Okay, the flush function, the close function implicitly called the flush function. What is the use of flush function means? It is forcing the data or it is sending the data to write or settle down in its proper position in the file. Okay, that is the use of flush function. So we have seen literally how the flush function is used in our program. That thing is another example programs we have seen in yesterday's class. Okay, today let me go to the next topic. Okay, these are all the examples. We have also done our own example. Okay, then next topic is removing white space after reading a file. Okay, reading the data from the file. So we can, for example, if you want to calculate how many characters in the file means, okay, the white space also will calculate it now. So for that we have to use the strip function. We already know that the strip function uses it to remove the character. We have seen the L strip and R strip, the functions in the second chapter. Okay, so likewise the strip function will remove the character from the both sides, that is the leading as well as the trailing side, that is the starting and stopping of ending of the string. It will remove which one? The strip function. You can see the highlighting one. Okay, the strip functions removes the given character from the both ends. Okay, that is the thing. Let me see one example. You can see they given the example Mumbai Indians after one space is there. Okay, strip function, if before if it is any space is there means that it will remove. Okay, after that also, that is the trailing side, if any space is there that will remove. You can see Chennai Super Kings before the many spaces are there. I think 3 spaces are there. Okay, by using the strip function we can remove it. Okay, that's what they are giving the example. My file equal to open dot, they are opening a text file. They didn't give the mode, then which mode it will open? In this
Read
example,
mode.
very good. By default it will open in read mode. Okay, that's what we want to come to know it. Default file opening mode is read mode. Suppose this type of questions might be asked in our exam also too. Okay, so open file name, we didn't mention the mode means automatically the file will open in read mode. Okay, we cannot do any other operation like with writing or any other thing. It is not. Okay, so let you see this read one, line 1 equal to, we are reading a line. Then what is the thing? Length of the line we are calculating. Then it is printing 15. Okay, the first line is Mumbai Indians. Suppose the file is contains the two things means. Okay, then L1 equal to L1 dot R strip. They are using R strip means right hand side. Right hand side means what? The trailing side. After the Indians yes is there, no, some space is there. It will remove the space. Then you can see they again we are asking to print the length of the line 1, that is 14. It is printing. Okay, you got it. And line 2 equal to my file dot read function. Again we are opening the read line function. Second line we are read and we are asking to print the length of the second line including the space. You can see it's showing 25. You can see the output. Okay, then what is the thing? My file dot read line, we are read the second line, and in the line 2 equal to line 2 dot L strip. We are just removing the leading side, that is the left hand side. We are removing the white spaces. You can see in the second line 3 or 4 spaces are there, that spaces will be removed. And finally what is the thing? 19 is the original character. Okay, that is the thing. But instead of we are using the strip function, instead of R and L strip, we are merely using the strip function means it will remove the white spaces from the both ends, starting side and as well as the ending side of the string, that is the leading as well as trailing side, okay, of the string. That is the use of L strip, R strip and strip function. Let me go to the important topic, that is file pointer. We have discussed much, I mean little bit, not much. We have discussed a little bit about the file pointer. For example, if you are opening a file, already the file is contains some data. We are open the file in read mode. Where is the pointer? Where is the default place of the position of the pointer? File pointer is?
At last.
No, at the first. Okay. What is the default position means? Suppose we are opening a file for read mode. That is a very important thing. Suppose we open a file for read mode. Already the file is contains some data means the pointer will be, pointer means for our understanding we can take it as a cursor. Okay, it's not literal cursor. Pointer is another one, memory location till where the data or the characters are read or already accessed. Okay, that is the pointer, file pointer. It will be in the starting position. Suppose we are opening the file in append mode means
Last, sir.
very good, then it will be the pointer will be at the last position. Okay, So these are the basic things you want to know it. Actually, one concept is there. Pointer concept functions are there. Seek, CKG, the function is there. Okay, that functions will help you to move the pointer. Upcoming binary files time you will learn it. Okay, next topic is the binary file. So far we discussed only the text file now. So how to change the pointer, literally how to move the pointer to wherever the desired position, desired location in the file, that and all we will see in the upcoming chapters. Okay, that is a binary. Whenever we are dealing with the binary file, that time you automatically will know it. Okay, the file pointer is the minimum concept. Okay, they give an example. Whenever we opening the write mode, where it will be. Next thing, they given one more example also. See, ch equal to my file dot read of 1. Then what will happen? It will read the single character. Then pointer will be ready to access u. You can see they given the RM mark. Sorry, previously the pointer will be before the m. Okay, after that what is the command? We read one character, we are reading one character. After we read, the pointer will be moved to the after m, that is, or else before u. It is ready to access the next character in the file. Have you understand now? Have you understood how the pointer is moving?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So these are all the modes we have discussed. R plus, and RB means what is the meaning? What is the meaning for B? Can you say?
In binary mode.
Very good. In binary file, suppose we are opening the binary file means in binary format, if you want to open the file means we should use B. That is B denoting binary file. RB plus, that is read and write. Okay, that is the thing. R plus B, any other formats. Okay, then for writing, these are all the modes. W, WB, all those things. For appending mode, you can see this. It is for your understanding. Just to listen it, then you can let you go to the next slide. Okay, then next we are going to the simple topic, and as an important and basic topic also. Okay, that is standard input, output, and error stream. Okay, standard input stream, standard output stream, and standard error stream. Generally we are using, I will ask one question. For example, if I want to display certain data in the program, which function I have to use? Can you say that? Which function we are using it?
Print function, sir.
Yes, print function. Suppose I want to give the input to the that is a program, and which function is used to receive the input?
Input function.
Yeah, input function. Whether if you want data in integer means int of input, float means float of input. Okay, string means merely we can use directly we can use the input function. Okay, so here we are going to discuss about the standard input, which is the standard input device means keyboard. Okay, these are all basics. Okay, and standard output, but the question will be asked from the board exam from this, because we are thinking that it is not, but this is the question. Minimum 1 mark will become okay from this topic. Okay, so standard output function, which is the proper or prominent standard output device is monitor. Okay, because all the input we are getting through keyboard, and all the output where the system is displaying or where the interpreter is displaying means through the monitor device. Okay, and the error also, whenever any error is occurred, that time also what is happening, the interpreter is displaying the error on over the monitor. Okay, so that's what the standard error device is monitor, standard output device is monitor, input device is keyboard. So these things we have to know it. Okay, for the separate module is there. In order to access these things, we want to import the sys module, SYS. Okay, for we already used it in the 4th chapter in order to access the path in our Windows. Can you recall it? Sys module, system module. Could you recall?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Likewise, here what is the thing? We want to use, in order to use the standard in, that is standard in means standard input. Standard output, OUT means that is standard output. Standard ER, that is EERR means standard error. Okay, I will tell that once again. If you see the program means, you can understand what is the use of these things and all. Okay, it's a basic one. Let I go to the next one. You can see how to use these things means, you can see from there you can understand this example program. Import sys. We are importing the sys. Y means the standard out, standard in, standard error. These functions and all defined. I mean, these modules and all defined in the sys. So that's why we have to import the module SYS, that is system. Okay. My file is a file object. In order to open a file in read mode, this is all normal one. Line 1 equal to my file dot read line. We are reading a line stored in L1. Sorry, line 1, and we are reading a second line that is stored in L2. Okay. Instead of we are using normally we are using print statement. No, in order to print the statement, any things, any data you want to print in the program, we are using print statement. Okay. So instead of, you can see sys dot, you can see this one, sys dot it's not selected properly. Okay, sys dot standard out dot write. Okay, then we are writing where it is writing, sir, means it is directly writing on over the screen, because which is a standard output device we have seen previously. What is a standard output device?
Monitor.
Yes, monitor. Standard input device?
Keyboard.
Standard error device?
Monitor.
So that's what it directly writing on over the monitor. Monitor means just our screen nowadays. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, this and all we have used in the previous last 2 decades before. Okay, nowadays we are not using this console things. This is all console. Console means basic terminal purpose. Okay, so you can see this standard out dot write means the line 1 we are asking to write, that will be get printed. Okay. Then second thing, you can get line 2 we are asking to print with the slash. Okay, that is the next line it comes. Line 2 already you know that last program we have seen the line 2 already contains some characters, that is white spaces. So with the space, second line also got printed. Okay, while error, for example, if any error is there, means that error will display. If no error means it will display what? No error found. The default message it will be print. Okay, normally we are closing it. Okay, it's a simple concept how to print directly to the monitor, or how to get the input directly from the keyboard for that purpose. This concept and all where we are using, no, for example, have you traveled in the metro train?
Yes, sir.
So that whenever they will use, they will nowadays they are implementing one thing. Yeah, why not in the unit train also in Chennai? If you are going, means they are using one card. They are issuing one card. If you have the card, means we can likewise a swipe. We can insert it, and from where to where we want to book the. We want to get the ticket for the train by the likewise the ATM machine. One machine is the ticket counter machine. Instead of we are standing in the queue, another side one machine will be installed. From that directly we can get the ticket. Have you seen that?
In the railway station, sir.
Yeah, in the railway station itself I'm saying. Have you got it? Have you seen that one before?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for example, that things and all, they are directly using the keyboard. Keyboard means they are keeping some keyboard for numbers, all those things and all. So for ATM also, our ATM machine also worked on the console basis only. That is directly it is getting the input from the keyboard. That is, keyboard means the number digits they are keeping in our ATM machine, that things, and directly it is printing. Printing means displaying, not printing, displaying the message. For example, mini statement or whatever thing we are going for the cash withdrawn or whatever thing, directly displaying these things. Okay, for that purpose and all, the standard input and standard output method is using. They are using it instead of a print statement or instead of input statement. Okay, they are using that things. Okay, that's the concept. This is a minimal concept. 1 mark we can expect from this topic in board exam. Okay, let me go to the next topic. Have you cleared now these things?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we have seen, we have seen file pointer. For example, strip function. We have seen L strip, R strip, and strip function. And the next thing is we have seen about the file pointer. And in open mode, how the file pointer will act. In read mode, how it will be act. That things and all we have seen. Okay. And for example, after accessing the character, it will be goes to the next pointer, next position. That and all we have discussed. And standard input and output and error streams we have discussed much things. And now we are going to see one important thing, because hereafter we are going to use this statement only. What is the statement? With statement. Okay, in your keywords you may study one thing, that is with. Okay, now we are going to use the with statement. Okay, so from here onwards we are going to use, instead of a equal to, for example, if I opening a file, means how can I open? Previously how I opened the file? A equal to whatever thing, that is the file object equal to open of file name comma
File
mode.
object is equal to open of file name into mode.
File name comma mode. Like that only we open now. So it is another way in order to open your file as well in whatever mode. Okay, in maybe append mode or write mode or read mode. We have to mention. Let me go into the topic. Then you can understand much about that. Okay. So you can see if you want to open your file, this is the syntax. Please note down the syntax. You can see with open file name comma, actually the bracket want to come here. Okay, I will retype it. Okay, file name comma mode as file handle. File handle means what? For example, previous exams and all, we are using what? A equal to A is a file handle. No, with that only we are opening a file, we are closing the file, we are writing the data into the file. Yeah, likewise. Hello, can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
as we are giving some variable name, that is called, we should not say it's a variable name, file handle name. Okay, it should be any identifier. Okay, so we can give with open file name comma mode. For example, read mode means R, write mode means W, append mode means A. As A or B, likewise we can give a things. Okay, let me see one example. What is the use of this things? Means this is a compound statement. It's a use of compound statement. Let I will show the example, you can understand. You can see this with open new file.txt in writing mode we are opening as mf. So mf is a what? File object. Okay, so with the object we are opening the file. You can see after the mf you can see the colon. So it is a block of statement. Actually it is what called compound statement or block of statement. That is a notable point you have to note down it. Okay, so colon, then what is the thing? Mf dot write off, whatever we need to write, we can write it. Suppose if you are opening in read mode means we can read from the file. Can you understand this one? Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then you may ask that, sir, is it an alternate way, sir? Means it is not only the alternate way, it is some advantages, more advantages are there. For example, whenever we want to open in a normal way, that is A equal to or file object equal to open of what is the thing? File name comma mode, which mode we are opening. In this manner, if you open means definitely at what we need to do at last.
Close the file.
Yes, of course, we must close the file, or else what will happen? The flush function won't be called by implicitly by the close function. The data also not returned. Okay, in the file, into the file. Okay, so or else whatever we are operation, reading operation, whatever thing, the file may be chances for corrupted. It may get corrupted. Okay, so many chances are there for losing the data. Okay, but here if you open the file or for whatever mode, append mode, read mode, or write mode, in this manner using the with statement, we no need to use the close function. Then what is the meaning? The with keyword is there. No, you can see the with keyword. This keyword is automatically ensuring it. The keyword is giving the assurance or giving the guarantee for us, for the user, the data. It will give the guarantee for the data. It should be safely or securely stored into the file, and the file will be closed automatically. Implicitly it will do the actions. For example, we have seen before using the flush function, we have seen automatically the close function will call the flush function implicitly. Now likewise here the with statement, if you are using the with statement, automatically yes.
As mf means what, sir?
Mf, it is a file handle. Instead of we can give whatever name. For example, let you keep your name or my name, A, B, C, and all whatever thing, any identifier. Mf is a file handle.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So the with function, the with is not with function. The with statement gives the keyword with is giving the assurance for the data as well as the closing of the file, closure of the file. Okay. So it will give the surety for the two things. First thing is what? Ensuring the data, it should be stored properly, or the data will be retrieved from the file properly if it is in read mode means. Okay, or write mode means it is giving the surety the data will be properly stored in the file. Okay, that is the one thing. And second thing is what? It is giving the assurance for it automatically the file will get closed. Okay, so it will make the file to be closed. Implicitly it will call the close function. We no need to write manually in order to close it. That's what I'm coming to tell. Okay, if you are using this means we no need to call the close function again with the file pointer. Okay, automatically the file will get closed. I mean, after we completing this block of statement, once it is completed means, have you noticed that this is a block of statement? Okay, so once the block of statement is completed means the file will be, once the operation is over means it will be automatically closed, as well as the data will be stored. Okay, this is an example for that. Okay, let me do one example. 1 minute. Or let I will do here itself. Okay, for example, with example, I will open in write mode. Okay, open off. Then we can give the some file name. I'm giving je.txt. Okay, in write mode. Suppose I am opening. Okay. As what is the thing? I'm just giving the file object a. Okay, it's a colon. Then I'm just giving a dot with the file pointer only. We have to write no. For example, so write. I'm just giving hello CS students. I'm just typing something. That's all. We no need to do anything. I'm just saving this file. 1 minute. I'm just saving JE1. Later I open the JE file. Okay, we didn't run that file, no? That's all. There is a reason. I'm just running this file. Okay, the file is successfully run. It is completed. 1 minute. Let I will minimize this one. You can see the JE file. You can see the data is returned. Okay, have you understand this one? Finally the data is stored successfully in the file. Have you understood? Yes, please.
Sir, it can't directly go to JE file and open and show us, no, sir?
No, we need to open it. I'm just opening manually. How?
I'm telling you, if there is any method, I am saying.
That is, you are asking any method to open a file through the program.
Yes, sir. If we run the program, means it directly enter into the file and show us the output.
No, it won't show the output in this thing. Actually, we are doing what operations here? We are writing the data into the file. Okay, we are giving the instruction to write this data into the file je.txt. Okay, so it has done its job. That's all.
Okay,
understand? Yeah, that's all. Okay, pa. So in this method, it is another one method and useful method also for you. Hereafter, we are going to see this method only instead of the previous one. It will be better. We no need to use the close function, and we no need to bother about the first function and all. Okay, so you can see once again the syntax with open of file name comma mode as file handle colon. Okay, this is the syntax. Then we can write the body of the compound statement. So it should be a block. That is, you can understand this is a block. Given the space for it. Okay, so this is another one way for the opening a file. Not only opening a file, we can open in write mode and read mode and open mode also. Same thing. Okay, we'll go to the things. So this is the concept. Have you understand this one? Have you understood?
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let me go to the next one. Okay. Now we completed the file handling text file. Okay. I already said there are 3 type of files are there in the file handling chapters. What are they? Can you say? What are the 3?
Text file, binary file, CSV file.
Very good. So we completed the text file. Next we are going to deal with the binary file. Okay, that is another one file concept. Okay, let me discuss about the file concept. 1 minute. Let I will open the slide. Okay, so this is a binary file handle. So binary means zeros and ones are called as binary file. Yes, sorry, it is a binary digit, that is bit. Okay, binary digit is called zeros and one. So data will be stored in the file will be accessed to only the zeros and one. Let me go to the program directly, then you can easily understand that. Okay, 1 minute. So it is an example program to how to write a string into the binary file. Let me see it. you can see to store string in binary file. You can see this. To store string in binary file, we must convert it to binary format, either by prefixing the string with B or using the encode function. Okay, so this is a very important thing. So if you want to store any data, not only string, of course we are here, in this program we are about to store the string, that's what. Okay, even it is an integer or a floating point or whatever data type, we need to convert into the binary format, that's called binary file. Okay, that I will show an example, I will explain to you. So you can see MSG is a variable. In that variable, we are storing a string. That is, welcome is a string. We are stored in the variable MSG. Okay. Then F equal to open of myfile.bin. Bin is representing is a binary file. Full form for bin is binary file. Otherwise, we can use data file, DAT. Another one file format also there, DAT. Okay, that is data file. Okay. Either one we can use it. Okay, for binary concept. Okay, let you see this. This is the file name, comma, WB. Can anyone say what is WB?
Write or append.
Write or append?
Writing in binary mode.
Binary.
Writing the file in binary mode. B is representing what? Binary mode. We have seen at the last of the chapter also, I have shown one tabular column, WB.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So B is denoting binary. Okay, let me see this next line. It's an important line also too, you have to concentrate here. Okay, F dot write, we are writing the things. We cannot directly write anything to the binary file. We should encode it. Encode means we should use the encode function. Okay, encode function, what is the use of encode function, sir? Why we need to store in encode? Encode, sir, means if you are directly, it will store in the string, means it won't store, it cannot be stored. Not won't, it cannot be stored, because binary file accepts only what? In the byte streams, bytes only it will accept. What is byte? In our lower classes you might studied. What is bit? Zeros and one is called bit. 8 bits equal to 1 byte.
1 byte.
In the memory table and all you might study in your lower classes. Have you recalled that?
Yes, sir.
1024 bytes equal to 1 KB, 1024 KB equal to 1 MB, like that the table
1 MB.
Yes. Likewise, the binary file accepts only in the byte. Okay, but here what we are storing? We are about to store what? A string, we are storing it. Welcome. Okay. So suppose we want to store a string, means whatever it may be, string, integer, or whatever data type. Suppose we want to store other than binary streams, means we must and should encode that one. That is the only one way. These are all basic operations. Okay. In later classes, we will know directly how to store it. This is a basic one. In order you want to understand the binary files, I am teaching this one. The basic concept of binary files. Okay. Let me go to the things. MSG. What is MSG? It's a variable which contains a string data type. Okay, a string it contains. Okay, MSG dot encode. What is the use of encode function? Means the encode function translate or converting from original data type into binary
data.
Yeah, binary format. It will convert the original data. It may be a string or integer or float, whatever data type, the original data type into binary format. That is the use of encode. So we are encoding it. Okay, this is one way in order to just changing or converting the data. It may be a string or whatever data type, which is stored in a variable. Okay, otherwise if you want to directly store the data, means you can see the second line, F dot file B then in the single quote 2 by Python learning. The 2 Python learning is a string, because string must be enclosed within single quote or double quote. No, here they given in what? Single quote. We can use in double quote also, not an issue. So before we should use the prefix word B, that's denoting what? The data is stored in binary format. Okay, automatically the interpreter will convert into the binary streams, that is the binary bytes. Then it will be, the data will be stored in the file. Okay, finally we are closing the file. Have you understand? Okay, students, in the previous session we discussed this thing, and as a continuation, let me see. So first thing, you can see the first one, F dot write. Okay, F dot write message. That message we are going to encode. This is the one way. Okay, it is in one method to store the data. Another one means we can directly, if you want to store a string, means okay, before one prefix letter want to join, that is B. You can see the data. To store a string, I'm highlighting here. Okay, to store a string in binary file, we must convert it to binary format either by prefixing the string. That is what is the string here. To Python learning is a string. Okay, prefixing the string with B, the letter B we should enclose. The B is denoting it is a binary file. Okay, or using the encode function. We must use either one thing, either encode function or B. We should use any one thing. Suppose we are directly entering the string means we should use before it should be prefixed with B. Okay, or else we are storing any one data. For example, we are storing the string in one variable. That variable we are going to write into the file means we must what? We must use encode function. Okay, this is the second thing. Okay, this program
If
will
you are not using encode,
we didn't use the encode means what will happen, the file, I mean the data we are about to write into the binary file, no, it won't allow, the file won't accept the normal string or whatever integer data type or null. It won't accept it. It will show error. It won't, it will show the type error. Because I will show that. I will show literally opening the file and I will run it. Just a minute. I'm opening a new one. For example, I just open with, okay, with open, what is the procedure, can you say? I'm just opening the same file. Okay, je file.tx. Now I'm just opening another one, je1, okay, .bin, okay, comma, I'm opening in write mode, binary file, no, so that's what I have to use, B. Okay, binary file, opening it, then I closed it, as I'm just giving the file object is A. Okay, then I'm writing the data. For example, I'm getting the input from the user, s equal to input of, okay, enter your string. Suppose we entered the data, then we are about to write the s into it. Okay, how to store means it is
Sir?
yes.
Sir, S is equal to input or A is equal to input, sir?
S equal A is a file handle, S is a variable using to receive the input.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now we need to encode it. Okay, so I am going to write the data into the file. So how to access a file? Through the file object only. No, what is the file object here?
A dot,
A dot write of, what is the thing? S is a input, no, so S dot encode. First I will show with the encode function, then after without encode means you can come to the clarity how the error will occur. Okay, then we no need to close it. I already said that. Okay, with the suppose we are opening the file with statement means we no need to close. I'm just saving the file, 1 minute. So I'm just saving the file in je2. Okay, I'm running the file. So enter the string. So I'm just giving computer science. Okay, something I typed it. Okay, that's all. So the now data will be stored into the file. Let I will show the file. 1 minute. The file name is je1. Na? Open it. You can see whatever we inputted, it is stored in the file. Okay. Let I will close this. Again, run again the same program. Okay.
Sir?
Now, yes. Yes.
This file and all, you from the Python file you pasted in the desktop, sir?
Pasted. Which file?
This JE1, JE2 in the desktop you are showing, no, sir?
I didn't paste it. I'm creating in front of you only now.
Okay, sir.
For example, I'm opening it. JE3 I will open. You are thinking I'm pasting from somewhere. No. This all now only
No,
we
sir.
created.
This file is stored in some other file, but you take that file and paste it in desktop, I think.
No, not like that. I will tell that. Suppose where I stored the original file. Of course, you can see in the Python file. No, where we are storing the Python file, the data file also stored in the same location. Suppose I stored the Python file in desktop. Okay, so JE1, JE2, these are all Python file. No, So I stored in desktop. So that's why what is the thing? Say JE1, JE2, this data file also stored in the same location. Have you understand?
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Oh, yeah.
the opening file should be encoded only, no, sir, but it is decoded what you have written same is fine in binary file.
That's what I will come to the next point. I understood your point. Later I will say that. Okay. For example, later I will complete this program. Then I will come to that. Suppose I didn't use the encode means, you can see normally we are writing the data likewise in text file. No, is the same format only. No, correct? Isn't it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I am saving it. I'm just running the file. Okay. Just asking that. Hi, how are you? I just enter, you can see this type error. A byte streams, a byte like streams only it is required. Byte like data only it is required. But we are giving str, that is string data type we are giving. Suppose we are giving integer also, it will shows a byte like object is required, not integer, not int, not float. Likewise, it will shows the error. Have you now got it? No. If we didn't use the encode means. Have you people got this? Understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the
Yes,
concept.
sir.
We must encode before we are writing into the file. Okay, then I will come to the Harith questions. Okay, generally in the initial stage, I said that the binary stores, it will give the protection for our data. Suppose we are opening the file in the binary file means it will shows it is not readable, it is not human readable, it will be changed into the different characters. Did I said it? No, starting of the initialization, start introduction of the file, this chapter. Can you recall that one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that you will come to know after this. That's what I'm saying. One more word also. These are all basic program for in order to understand the binary files. Okay, whenever we are going to the real part of the binary file means you can understand. Harith, have you understand? Harith is here. I don't know. Okay, let me see. So that time what will come to you, that time we no need to use encode function, decode functions. Decode means after the program is there. Okay, we no need to use such type of functions. Okay, directly we can store into the binary file. It is not that much readable. It will be changed in own machine format. Okay, in different characters,
Sir,
the data will be stored. Yes, yes, Harith.
can you repeat that, sir? I asked one question.
Yeah, that's what I answered. You was not there.
Network problem, sir.
Okay, let I will tell. For example, these are all basic binary files. Okay, so whenever we are going to the next topic, you will come to the real binary file, how to store it. That is, it is not a fake. Okay, it is a basic thing. Okay, so whenever we go to the next topic, you will automatically you can understand. At that time, if you store the data into the file means, if you try to open the file, we can open it, but we cannot see the direct. As we are typing, we cannot see it. It will be encoded in different one. Okay, that time we won't use the encode functions and all. For that, we have to use one module in binary file, real binary file. How to store the data means, of course, we should use what? Pickle one module is there. Okay, so by using the pickle module, in that module, many functions are there. In our syllabus, they given two functions. One is dump function, another one is a load function. Okay, with the function, if you are writing the data into that means, what will happen? The file will be very protected and safely. It is a secured one. Others, if you try to open the file means, the data is in different format. They cannot read anything from the file. Have you got it, Harith?
Sir, the module name connection.
Pickle, Pickle, pickle. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, let me come to this. These things and I'll automatically learn it. Next, whenever I'm going to teach the next concept, you will automatically understand that. Okay, that's the concept. Okay, students, I think this class later I will stop it and I will tell about the general things for you. I already sent the forms to you. You can check your WhatsApp group. In the group, you can see this given on form. Okay, in that form, it is asking which type of project you are going to do. Okay, 1 minute, I will open the form. I will show to you. Okay, meanwhile I will say about that. Coming Saturday you have test, chapter 3 test. Can you remember that one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, chapter 3 test is there, so you can prepare for it. Entire chapter 3 you prepare it. Later I come to the things, come to the topic. So this form, for example, I open in for your mode. Okay, in your side how it will open, I will show that. Okay, it will ask your email ID and project type you want to choose. For example, I'm just giving.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, in the group 3 members means which email ID, sir?
that's what I'm coming to tell. Any one of your group member, for example, 3 members are there. No, who is representing your group? Let that people want to conclude that one. Have you understand?
Okay, sir.
For example, 3 members is a group. In a group, 1 member can send the proposal. For example, this is the mail ID means. Oh, sorry. This is the mail ID, and we have to choose the project type. It is individual or group. Individual means, for example, only you are alone. You are doing mean that is individual. Group means suppose you have to click this one and click the next button. It will take to the different part. Group project means it will asking the 3 members name. You have to type the 3 members name. Minimum 2 to 3. Let you decide it. Maximum if it is 3 means it will be well and good, because the third member they may useful. They can create one module. It will divide your works among you. Okay, among yourself. Okay. Likewise, you have to give briefly explain your project idea. That is project proposal. Here you have to type your project, what you are going to do, entire details you want to type it. Okay, given the 3 days time, today, Friday and Saturday also, and Sunday. Till Sunday you have time. Okay, Sunday evening it will be the form will stop. I will stop the responses. Okay, after that if you submit also, I won't get it. Okay, so then I will compile all the formats in group wise. I will segregate it. Then each group I will conduct the review. I will ask the abstract and review all those things and all, which I explained to you in yesterday's things. Okay, other details, for example, project you given that more than you want to say about what is the use or what is the thing, these things and all you want to type other detail, you can type it and you can click the submit button. Once it is submitted means I will get it. Have you understand this one?
About project means for how much level we have to type about the project, sir?
No, it is project. How much? I didn't get you a question.
Up to which extent we have to explain about the project, sir?
Which section means no. It is you have to tell briefly about your project. For example, my project is this one. I'm going to do this project, sir. In this project, I'm going to use so and so concept. This is the outcome of the project. What is the people will get? The user will get the benefit through the project. Like that, you have to tell. What are the modules I'm planning to add?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yesterday, Harith asked one beautiful question. Sir, I given in the abstract 3 modules, sir. Later, I used 5 modules, sir. Is it any wrong? Nothing wrong. Okay. So abstract little bit vary, but the changes you have to inform to me. That is the concept. Have you understand this one? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Anybody having any doubt regarding the project? Have you grouped it? Have you grouped?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So rest of the students also. What about girls? Girls are here. Nishita, Ramya, and Reshmita. Have you grouped yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just rest of the students also, students just inform to other members. Those the legendary boys, they didn't attend the classes, no. So inform to them. Once they, it is, I'm just asking you. That's what I'm saying. I'm not yelling you. I'm just asking you to pass the information. They also group among themselves. They have to do the project. Okay, whatever they done, they have to think that. Okay, don't waste the time. Today you just decide the group. Once you decide it means just started to discuss among yourself regarding the project. Okay, afternoon I hope you have the test today, physics and chemistry. You prepare more for that. And Saturday we have the test. Okay, let you prepare for the test also. Meanwhile you have prepare for your project. Okay, then next week I will get the abstract. Okay, the entire details, A to Z details about the project. That is abstract. You have to submit on next week. I will share this type of same, you have to mail me that things and all. Okay. Okay, students, anything else? Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,